Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are using a mouse with your Mac and scrolling does not feel as smooth as you like, there's an app you should check out, Smooze. Smooze gives you more control over mouse scrolling and lets you customize the way your mouse behaves in macOS. Smooze is a mouse utility for Mac that focuses on improving and customizing scrolling. It can make scrolling feel smoother, add customizable scrolling effects, and give you more control over your mouse buttons and gestures. Now let's install Smooze on Mac. First open the browser. Now search for Smooze for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here download Smooze for Mac. Click on the link. Now you can see here the download button. Just click on it. Close this pop-up. As you can see, the download is successfully completed. Now let's install Smooze on Mac. Double click on the DMG file. Now drag Smooze to the application folder. And that's it. Now close the installer. Open the launchpad. You can see here Smooze. Open it. Click on open. Now Smooze needs your permission to manage your mouse. Open system preferences. Then go on security and privacy. Now on security and privacy, select privacy category. On the left side you can see here accessibility. Select it, then click on the lock. Provide your Mac password here. Then simply check this Smooze app, then close this. Now you can see here the interface of Smooze. You can see here vertical lines. You just maximize it and minimize it according to your preference, and the same for the horizontal lines. Hold command to multiply lines by 2. If you increase it, it will multiply by lines by 3, 6. Hold option to divide lines by 2. Just maximize and minimize it according to the preference. Animate scroll, you can see here cubic out is the animation. Animate horizontal and vertical, both are checked. Continuous animation, it is also checked. If you want to remove continuous animation, just untick it. Maximize and minimize the acceleration, duration. Okay, now let's come to the click. Smooze button, native button and scroll button. Click on the physical mouse that you want to configure or scroll your scroll wheel over the left table in order to detect it. Okay, these are the categories you can use on Smooze. Change the scrolling settings of mouse. Instead of the traditional scrolling behavior, Smooze can create a much smoother scrolling experience. You can also customize scroll speed and acceleration according to your preference. Another useful feature is mouse button customization. So if your mouse scrolling on Mac feels too basic or inconsistent, Smooze is definitely worth trying. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more Mac tips. Thank you for watching.